header here, ShutEye app. So how to install Lockscreen widget. So ShutEye app, one of the top sleep tracker apps out there, also just introduced Lockscreen widget. So you can just lock your screen and just tap to customize. Otherwise, you can just go to your wallpaper and then just tap customize. And yeah, from here you can also change your lock screen widgets just from the settings app. So yeah, try that and then add widgets, and from here add widgets, ShutEye widget. So here is the lock screen widget from ShutEye. This is how it looks like, pretty minimalistic, but there you have it. Then you will just see it here. And then I don't know what it does exactly. Is it like tracking your sleep or showing you indication that you're tracking your sleep or something like that? So you can just discover that. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Hope it is helpful.